Hello everybody, welcome back to WLM Card Magic. I've got a trick to show you today, but before we start the trick we'd like to give the pack a good shuffle, make sure we are working with a completely unset up random deck. So we'll give them a good shuffle, spread them out, stick a few from here, a few from there, just give them a totally random mix. So as you can see, it's a completely mixed up random deck. So what we're going to do, we get, if I had a player here with me, I would then just ask him to split the deck in two, so somewhere roughly near half, it doesn't have to be exact. Okay, I would then ask him to pick a pile, they might say this one, and I take this one. I would then ask the player to pick a number between 1 and 6, and I would ask him to say out loud their number, if it might say 3, so we then go to card number 1, 2, 3 at the bottom of the pile, and remember that card, place the cards back on top. Okay, so then I would go to my pack and go to number 3 in my pile. Okay, put it down. I would then ask the player to stick their pile on top and make a cut of the cards. So and then we would go and deal out the cards, matching the number of cards the player chose, which was 3. So we're going to deal the cards out in 3 piles. And while I'm doing this, just remind the spectator to try and remember the card they chose. So we'll get through the cards as quick as we can, keeping them in 3 piles, 3 even piles. We're almost there. This is the slowest bit of the trick, I'm afraid. Okay, and tidy the piles up. Then I would ask the player to pick up the piles in any way they want. So there and there. I would then say to the player, now I am going to reveal the card I chose, which was number 3 in my pile. It was a 6 of clubs. So I'm going to ask you to start laying out cards and stop when you get to my card, which was the 6 of clubs. So I'm going to deal it slowly, and the card might be the top half of the pack. It might be in the middle, or here we got the 6 of clubs. So I'd ask the player to stop dealing there, and then I would run back through what we've done. The player cut the pack in half. The player then chose the number from 1 to 6, which was 3. We then put their pile on top of mine. We then dealt the cards out in 3 piles. The player then picked them up in any order and resumed back onto the pile. So I've now got to the pack. They've dealt out which my card was, and I would then ask them to say what was their card, and they could say 9 of clubs, and lo and behold, the 2 cards have been reunited. Now I hope you like that trick, guys. If so, please feel free to come back to my channel, WLM Card Magic, and before you go, if you click the subscribe button to help my channel grow.